Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So I am so excited right now. I scored something from Shop Goodwill and I'm still kind of in shock about it. So I wanted to come on and do a little quick video and show you what I found because I feel like you guys would appreciate this. So about a week ago, I was scrolling through Shop Goodwill online. Ever since I bought that lockbox, I've, casually been browsing the site to see what they had, and I came across a ring and it was not marked. I have here the papers that came with the box. So it just said unmarked, tested 925 silver, geometric openwork ring. And they did acid test this ring. It tested as 925, but they said there was no marking, no metal marking, no maker's marks on the ring. I will put up the photos from the listing as well to show you. I immediately recognized this ring. It's from a collection that I'm really familiar with. I used to try on this ring when I worked at Tiffany all the time. So I thought, even if this turns out to be a replica for some reason and it truly isn't marked with the Tiffany marking, I'm willing to risk it because nobody else seemed to be interested in this listing. I think it was at maybe $12 when I found the listing, and I ended up paying $16. So I only paid $16 for this ring. It actually just came in the mail today. So I put it in this box. It obviously did not come in this box, but I put it in this box to reveal it to you. And oh my gosh. So I don't know if you guys recognize this ring. This is from the Marrakesh collection. This is a Paloma Picasso ring. It is absolutely stunning, and it actually is marked. So let's see if I can find that for you. The thing is that the marking on this ring, because it's such an intricate piece, it's so easily missed. So there it is down here. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick that up, but it is marked Paloma Picasso, Tiffany Company, 925 Italy. And this wasn't shown in the photos. Again, they missed it. They spent the time to acid test this ring. They knew it was silver, but they missed the marking. So that is so crazy. I obviously immediately bid on this item and ended up winning for $16. This ring retailed for over $500. So, I mean, that's crazy. That's a crazy score. It's absolutely authentic. And when I saw the photos of this ring, I thought this would be a really hard ring to make a replica of because it's such a unique design, and the way it's made is really beautiful. That was one of the reasons why this ring was a bit pricier for sterling silver. So it's just really not the type of ring that would be easily counterfeited. So that was another reason why I was willing to kind of bet on the fact that it was probably authentic, and it is, and that's just so crazy. And this one is a size 7, so it's my size, and it's just perfect. I feel like this is like a once in a lifetime kind of find. So crazy, I'm so excited. So I really just wanted to come on here and show you this and let you know that there are definitely treasures to be found. People miss things, especially when it's from a collection like the Marrakesh collection. This collection is a little lesser known, a little more obscure in terms of Tiffany & Company. So if you're not a collector or somebody who has really paid attention to the collections throughout the years, I can understand why somebody would not recognize this piece. So, I have my years of working there to thank for being able to recognize this immediately, and I absolutely love it. It's in beautiful condition as well. So that is just an amazing score. I'm so excited. And while I have you here, I'm going to show you just a few other small things I've picked up on Shop Goodwill recently. It has now become a bit of an obsession for me. But so this ring here, I think I paid $10 for, and it is sterling silver and amethyst. So the amethysts are channel set, and you can see it's kind of raised, which I thought was really cool. I just really liked the design of this, and I thought, the purple in these amethysts it's pretty deep, and it's a pretty vivid color. So I really, really love that. The next item I'm going to share with you. So this is a vintage silver filigree bracelet, and this is 800 silver. So this is not 925. So 925 is, you know, the standard for sterling, but this is an older bracelet. So this one is 800 parts per thousand pure silver. So I just thought the design was really, really beautiful. And I don't have anything quite like it. So this was just another item I picked up. Again, I think I paid maybe $12 for this bracelet here. And then finally, this box here, if you recognize the logo. So I picked up, oh, he's so cute. I picked up this little snowman charm, and this is James Avery. So if I flip it around, you'll be able to see the James Avery logo and the sterling marking. And I love him. So I have a little snowflake charm from Tiffany Co that I add to my bracelet every holiday season. And when I saw this little snowman come up on Shop Goodwill, I paid $20 for him, and I just thought he would make a really cute addition to my holiday bracelets. And he is a retired James Avery design, which, you know, the retired pieces tend to resell for quite a bit more because obviously they're harder to find now. So this is my first James Avery piece, and I'm really excited about him. I think he's just so adorable. Oh, and you know what? I actually do have one more piece to share with you, and it's just this really, really simple sterling silver cuff bracelet. Let me take it off and show you. So it's a little worn, but you can see right here. So it says hand wrought. On this side it says sterling and IC. So it's just a really simple sterling cuff bracelet. I just really liked the look of it. I liked the simplicity, and I liked it as a stacking piece. So those are my Goodwill finds. I'm still in shock, and I feel incredibly lucky to have scored this piece for $16. That's amazing. So anyway, this is a short video, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be back soon with another video. All right, bye guys.